In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to find the best dropshipping suppliers on Aliexpress in 2025 and beyond. Now, when I'm talking about dropshipping suppliers, I'm talking about suppliers that are registered and have their own business details verified. I'm going to show you how to find them and how to contact them.
The next thing you want to do right now is go to aliexpress.com. okay, I have it on my screen right now. Aliexpress.com. So once you go to Aliexpress, you're actually going to get to the home page. Okay, we have the home page here. So let me just reload the screen for you so you can. So this is the home page of Aliexpress. So whatever product you might have seen or find out, or you are still trying to find a product, just make use of this search button right here. Do you understand? And also, maybe you see a product on TikTok, or you see a very good product online and you feel a lot of people have been ordering it, and you want to also build a store for the same thing, then you can actually see a feature in this place that says you searching with with a photo. Do you understand? We have the feature here on Aliexpress. You're going to see it right here. You're going to see this feature. Let me navigate to it. I'm going to see search by image, and once you are going to see something, find what you love with better prices on Aliexpress by using an image search. So you're just going to click on upload photo and you search for the product you want according to your own research. So now let's say, for instance, I'm going to choose one of these products here. I know this is not a research that I'm making. Do you understand? I just want to use any product as an example, but nevertheless, if you want to choose a supplier, make sure that they have the prices are cheap, right? Do you understand? Compared to the price you want to sell for, do you understand, in other countries or locally in your country. So let's say this second one is what I want to go for, so I'm just going to click on it. Okay, so this is 366 sold. This has over 366 sold. This has over 4-star, and which means this person has not sold much, right? But yet he has a substantial amount of history of selling. So which means if we want to sell more, right? And is not unlike the one that has over 1,000 or 10,000 sales. Do you understand? Those people might have a lot of orders going on, so you want to go for someone that has between 200 plus and they have a good history. So those people will want to quickly answer you whenever you get in touch with them. So you click on it. So once you click on it, then this is actually going to open the product review, like the product page, right, where you can select the amount you want and so much more like that. So now you're going to see it over 1,664 for this price. This is over $1. This product is $1 if you convert that to dollar. If you convert this to dollar, so the next thing you want to do, how do you check the credibility of this store? Do you understand? Before you even contact them. So another thing you want to do is you want to click on this place. Do you understand? Once you hover to this sold by, you see their store name, you can click on business info. Once you click on business info, this is actually going to show their license, their store registration number, the country registered, and everything. So if I should zoom the screen right now, you are going to see this. Do you understand? Company name, VAT number, business license, and everything. Do you understand? So this is guaranteed. So let's just go back to the store page. And how do we contact them? Then the next thing you want to do right now is also check the reviews. Do you understand? Customer reviews. Are they actually getting what they ordered for? That is, check what those people have been saying. Check out the picture. Okay, this is beautiful, equals to the photo in description. So check out everything. Do you understand? You can click on view more. Then once you are done with that, then all we need to do, once you are satisfied, all we need to do is to contact the supplier, right? The owner of this product. That is, you get what I'm saying? So what you can do is you are going to see above this place, customer review, specification, description. You are going to click on store. So once you click on store, then this is actually going to take you to the store name, and above this place you see something like choice AYA store, and this store has over 27,000 followers, which is good. A positive feedback is 93%, and you are going to see on the right hand side on the screen, you are going to see something like message. Do you understand? So you can send a message to this supplier or the owner of this whatever supplier or whatever buyer you have on AliExpress, you could just follow this process and you click on message. Then once you click on message, we are doing this as a total beginner, right? So if you have already logged in, you should get to the next page. So let's register an account and try to sign into. We can send a message. So I'm just going to input my email right now. Let's get on it right now and get that done. Telling me to choose 6 to 20 characters containing letters or symbols. So I want to create my password right now. So I'm going to click on the password box and actually create my password and hit on the register. So I just did that. Then I'm going to click on register right now, and let's wait for it. So they sent a 4-digit code to my email address. So I'm just going to check my email address right now and input the code 2438. You're going to see this is my account which I just created, and you are going to see a box showing where I can actually type a message to this supplier and hit the send button. Do you understand? So I do not want to send any message to this supplier, right? And yeah, so this is how you can be able to contact supplier. And it is advised that you contact within as much as possible. Do you understand? Make sure you find time to find one of the most trusted and reliable suppliers based on their histories, reviews, their business registration, which I showed you, and also so it is advised that whenever you get a reply from a supplier using this chat option in AliExpress, then you ask for their WeChat ID or their WhatsApp number, so that you can be able to take them away from AliExpress and actually have the contact of your own trusted supplier. So I'll see you on the next video, and bye for now.